Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So here is my Axial Capra. This was the kit. It was actually not a bad build. I won't go over too many of the specifics of the build. There's a lot of other great channels, Harley Design, RC Network. They went over the build in detail. They pointed out a lot of the issues that you may or may not have while building this kit. So before I started building, I definitely watched those videos, got familiar with everything, and went to work. For me, the build went really well. I was very happy with the quality of the plastics, very happy with the quality of all the parts in general. So over the past few weeks, I did post a few just YouTube posts that kind of showed off some of the things I was working on. And I thought I'd pull everything together in a video and show you what it looks like. Wheels and tires, I went with the popular choice on tires, the Hyrax to Predator compound. I am using the stock foams at the moment. Proline is on back order with the dual stage foams. So when they get in stock, I'll get those ordered up. For now, I'm just going to run the stock foams. These are the Incision KMC wheels. They fit just great. No issues with clearance on the portals. Very cool to see the portals on this rig. I've seen a lot of videos. They look like they perform very well. I cannot wait to get them out, try them out for myself. The links to rod ends, everything felt real good getting them together. They feel nice, good quality. And I like that the pivot balls are metal. The drive shafts are the Wildboard drive shafts. I'm going to give them a go. I'll see how well they do. They look pretty good. I'm not sure how well they'll hold up, so time will tell. There's been a lot of talk about the dig. I am running the dig. I have the Spectrum Servo that goes with the kit. You have to buy this separately, of course, but it controls the dig and helps you for those tight turns. I've never had a dig, so I'm very excited to try it out. In the back, all the electronics easily go into this box. I'm not worried about the wires or anything. There's plenty of room to get everything you need to put in. On this rig, I have an SR515, plenty of ports to do everything I need it to do. The shocks are real nice, aluminum bodied up top. There are plastic tops and bottoms, but they feel good. They haven't leaked yet. They do come with a little bleeder screw, and it's just a nice design overall. For the motor electronics, I went with the Mamba X, the crawler combo. It's a 2850 kV brushless motor, censored with the Mamba X ESC. It is tight in here, but I was able to fit the ESC with no problem. I had to kind of slide it to the driver's side a bit, but no issues. For the servo, I went with the Reefs RC, the 444, 444 ounces of torque. Very powerful servo. Shouldn't have any issues with this servo. I am worried about the servo horn though. They did upgrade the design. They put a little metal cup on the inside of the plastic. Not sure how well that's going to hold up, so just to be safe, I did pick up part number 30836. This is the aluminum 25 tooth horn. So I'll probably start out using the stock plastic horn, but I have this one on standby should I need it. On the kit, the lights do not come with the kit, but I had a couple lights from PowerShift RC. Threw them in there, just ran them back to the ESC. No issues. With the kit though, you get this light bar, and this light bar is nice. It's very bright. I did install it. I like the look of it. I don't really run much at night, but it does look kind of cool. So overall, I think it's a great kit. I was actually surprised how noisy it is though. Now you do have all metal gears, and I understand all that, but it just sounded pretty noisy. I don't care about the noise per se. I just was more concerned that I did something wrong while assembling it. I checked everything out real good, and it looks like everything's fine. The mesh with the pinion and spar look good. I don't see any issues as far as assembly. Everything is greased. So I think I'm okay. I think it's just the design. I think it just might be a little bit noisy. If you found the same thing, that it's a little bit noisy, just let me know. This way I know that I'm not crazy and that maybe I actually did something right for a change. The hood is pretty cool the way it lifts up. It unclips from underneath and then just lifts up like a regular hood would. Pretty cool design. To make my life easier, I did solder on some longer line to my ESC. This way I could get the plug up into the underneath the hood here. Once the side panels get on and everything, I didn't want to have to fish for this, and I didn't want it to be too difficult to hook up the battery. Now the battery tray is tight. I've heard a lot of people complain about it. Maybe they're indifferent about it. I don't know, but it is tight. Found some batteries that are going to work for this. And they were actually being offered in a 2-pack, so I picked up 2 because I think I'm going to need it. These are 1300 20C batteries, 3-cell from Venom, and they fit in the tray just fine. Venom does have another battery coming out soon. It looks like it's a 1500 25C 3-cell. But it's showing that it's not available yet. May try to upgrade eventually, but for now, I think these will be alright. I do have another option though. This is the Traxxas 3-cell 1400 milliamp LiPo. So I can also run this as well. I have simple adapters, so I don't have to worry about changing over the plugs or anything. I could just hook this adapter into the Traxxas plug and be good to go. Just got to make sure I hook it up the right way. So again, overall, very happy with this build. The last thing I need to do is get everything painted up, which I always seem to struggle with. Not really sure the colors that I'm going to choose yet for this, but I'll get it painted up and get it ready to go. Alright guys, so that's about it. If you liked what you saw, please click that like button. Post any questions, comments, or whatever at the bottom. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.